We're joined now by the Senior Vice President of Investments for Wells Fargo Investors, John Harrell. John, thanks for joining us. Let's get straight to this. Oil prices also surged today, which is big and good news for Texas. It's been a tough pandemic stretch for that industry, of course. Do you think this is a sign of things to come for the oil and gas industry?
Well, I think it's a great sign. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. I think it's a great sign because, as the economy goes, oil and gas prices, there's going to be pressure on oil, especially to fuel the economy, no pun intended. And as that goes, it's going to be great for Texas. But some of it could be just short covering in that market as well as the stock market initially. But I got to believe that we're seeing that the future economic activity 6 to 9 months down the road is going to be strong, and that certainly is going to continue to put pressure on West Texas Intermediate, which is almost 8% today. That is a big move.
Indeed. John, as we mentioned, Pfizer's late-stage trial of the vaccine showed a 90% effective rate. How else is the vaccine announcement today affecting the markets?
Well, it takes a lot of fear out. If you look at the industries that really did well today, airlines, airline manufacturers, the cruise ships, all of the industries that have been just beaten up really badly over the last 6 months or so have just had nice recoveries today. There was a bit of a sell-off at the end of the day, but that's to be expected. The ones that got hurt are the companies that have been really involved in shifting to a new work dynamic, people working from home, working mobilely, et cetera. But the move today was mostly on the upside for almost every industry. It was a very strong and welcome rally in the stock market.
And John, in your opinion, is this a wait-and-see moment, or should investors get active right now?
Well, it's both. It's difficult to make a blanket recommendation because that's just unprofessional. Number one, talk to your financial advisor. If you're feeling better about prospects, then talk to your advisor and maybe commit some money. I've been committing money every time the market gets beat up. I've been putting money to work. I'm sitting on a lot of cash right now, but I'm not going to chase this thing right now. We're still a couple of months away from having the initial 50 million vaccines here for first responders. It'll be much more readily available in 2021, which will take a lot more of the fear and anxiety out of the overall economy and the way we live.
John Harrell with Wells Fargo Investors, thanks so much for joining us.